Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, back on the bench with some new lighting upgrades for our 2018 budget build. We're going to give you guys a quick rundown on these, but as usual, just head down below, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our other videos, and also follow us on Instagram to keep up with everything else we got going on around the shop. Those of you who've been keeping an eye on our budget build in the $2,000 tier, or really any of our project builds, will know that we're pretty big fans of installing LED lights, and we've already done a couple upgrades in that first tier, like LED fog lights and some Raptor-style grille lights. Those upgrades are going to be staying on the truck, but now that we're into the $4,500 budget, we're able to bump it up a little bit more and add a few other LED upgrades to really bring the look all together. So we've got a couple different bulbs sitting here in front of me, and the first one are these little tiny LED bulbs from Diode. What these are is an SMD2 LED bulb that basically is made to replace the license plate lights in the back of the truck. These are a super simple, straightforward, little plug-and-play bulb that's not going to take a whole lot for us to install, but should have a nice effect on just cleaning up the look of the back of the truck and getting rid of that yellow tinge with a nice bright white LED light. Now next in line, we've got a series of Putco LED lights for the back of our truck. And so what you're looking at is these two sets of Putco metal LED red lights that are going to be for our turn signals and our tail lights. They'll be a little bit brighter and a nice kind of crisp red LED light out the back, so it should modernize the look of the truck without having to change the entire tail light assembly, and it'll make for a pretty simple install. That being said, LED bulbs do tend to hyperflash when you use them for turn signals in trucks, and so we also ordered this Diode Dynamics 50-watt resistor kit to plug in with that and make sure we get a nice normal even flashing pattern with these LEDs. Then in the middle here, we've got a set of Putco LEDs that are white that are going to be used to replace our reverse lights in the back to really tie together the whole look with everything we're replacing. These will also provide a nice cleaner white light like the license plate lights and a little bit more output when we're backing up, so it should be another nice upgrade to really tie everything together. Make sure you guys stay tuned and subscribe to catch other videos that we have coming out soon, where we're going to be doing reviews and installs on all these bulbs and some other parts for our 2018 truck, and we will see you guys next time.